Welcome to Holistic Health Vibe, where we give you all the Earth's natural healers. Today, we will discuss the benefits of Agrimony. Let's begin. Beneath the quiet whisper of a summer breeze, where golden fields sway gently under the sun's embrace, grows a forgotten healer, humble, overlooked, yet brimming with ancient secrets. Meet Agrimony, once treasured by kings, healers, and wise women, now nearly lost to the pages of herbal lore. But its story isn't over. In fact, it might be the very remedy your modern world has been waiting for. Agrimony, known by many names, sticklewort, cocklebur, church steeples, is more than just a pretty wildflower. Native to Europe and now thriving across North America, it belongs to the illustrious rose family, Rosaceae, bringing beauty and healing in equal measure. This perennial plant, with its upright stance and spikes of small yellow flowers, isn't merely decorative. Its soft, hairy stems and deep, woody rhizomes have been adapted for survival and propagation. The hook-shaped bristles on its seeds cling to passing animals, ensuring the plant's enduring legacy continues season after season. But hidden within its rough stems and serrated leaves lies a treasure trove of medicinal wonders, ones that ancient physicians once guarded fiercely. Bending closer, you'd notice a fragrance, sweet like apricots, wafting from its flowers. A deceptive softness for a plant so strong in its effects. Blooming from June to September, Agrimony displays rows of five-petaled, golden yellow blooms that hide a secret arsenal of tannins, anti-inflammatory agents, and antibacterial powerhouses. Long before modern medicine, the Greeks revered Agrimony for liver and gallbladder disorders. During the Middle Ages, herbalists used it for skin wounds and fevers. It found its place in every apothecary, every spellbook, and every whispered folk remedy passed from grandmother to granddaughter. But why? What made this yellow-flowered herb worthy of such reverence? Agrimony's greatest strength lies in its multi-targeted healing. Internally, its tea works as a digestive tonic, easing gastrointestinal troubles, taming diarrhea, and bringing calm to a turbulent gut. Externally, it becomes a warrior for wounds, halting bleeding, disinfecting injuries, and promoting swift healing. Its astringent nature, thanks to its tannin content, tightens tissues and staunches bleeding. Quite an invaluable remedy back in the days before antibiotics and sterile gauze were around, wouldn't you say? For those who are, well, plagued by migraines, fresh Agrimony leaves crushed into a poultice and applied to the forehead can bring a calming coolness. And if you use it at night, it might just deliver another gift-deep, uninterrupted sleep. And sleep, now that's where Agrimony becomes almost mystical. Imagine this: a restless child tossing in the night, a man gripped by insomnia's cruel claws. In the old days, there was no melatonin or white noise machine. Instead, wise healers would tuck Agrimony leaves beneath the pillow. The effect? A sleep so deep, it was said the sleeper wouldn't wake until the leaves were removed. Whether this was folklore or pharmacology, no one knows for certain. But even today, herbalists use Agrimony for calming the nervous system. It's not just about sleep, it's about peace. A gentle hush to a racing mind, a lullaby whispered through a cup of steaming tea. But Agrimony's power wasn't only physical. In the realms of folk magic, Agrimony was revered as a spiritual shield. Hung above doorways, it was said to repel evil. Planted at the edges of property, it kept bad luck at bay. Used in charm bags, it became a talisman of safety. I bet you didn't know that shamans and witches believed Agrimony could banish negative energy and restore emotional clarity. Herbalists used it not only to heal wounds of the body, but also wounds of the soul. In ritual baths, it was believed to cleanse the aura. In dream sachets, it delivered visions of truth and peace. Always consult a physician when starting an herbal regimen. Could a modern world, plagued by stress and emotional disarray, rediscover such a herb? Surprisingly, Agrimony isn't just medicinal, it's delicious. Its leaves, when brewed into tea, carry a light, earthy bitterness akin to green tea with an undertone of stone fruit. For centuries, home brewers would toss in Agrimony flowers to enhance the flavor of beer and wine, imbuing their drinks with a delicate herbal complexity. Recipes have been passed down, with variations that include Agrimony herbal tea, 1 to 2 teaspoons of powdered leaves or 3 teaspoons fresh, steeped in boiling water for 10 minutes. Add raw honey for sweetness, and flavored wine infusion, Agrimony flowers added during fermentation for a light floral accent. These aren't just flavorings, they're elixirs, connecting people to the earth and to their ancestors with every sip. Timing matters with Agrimony. To harness its peak potency, harvest in late spring to early summer, when its yellow blooms are at their brightest. Take the leaves, flowers, and stems, either fresh or dried. Drying should be done gently, away from direct sunlight, to preserve their vibrant color and aromatic oils. It's during this period that Agrimony is most alive, its energy concentrated, its essence ready for capture. Yet for all its virtues, Agrimony carries a warning. Its tannins, while healing, can interact with blood thinners and blood pressure medications. Sensitive individuals may experience sun-induced rashes. Pregnant and nursing women are advised to avoid it. Like all powerful herbs, Agrimony asks for respect, not fear. It is a teacher, not a toxin. Today, scientists are beginning to uncover what ancient healers always knew. Clinical studies show Agrimony's effectiveness in treating inflammation, bacterial infections, and even mild anxiety. It's being tested for its antioxidant properties, its ability to support liver health, and its wound healing mechanisms. The results are stunning. This humble herb, dismissed by many as a weed, may hold keys to non-pharmaceutical healing in an age hungry for natural alternatives. Yet the most jaw-dropping revelation doesn't come from a lab or a dusty book. It comes from a story buried in oral tradition. In the archives of folklore, there is a tale told in whispers of a plague that swept a village, sparing only those who drank a nightly Agrimony tea. In a later century, an old woman cured her grandson's blindness using nothing but Agrimony eye wash. Skeptics scoff, but her records, her herbal diary, and her garden, still visited by botanists today, remain unexplainable. What if Agrimony isn't just medicine? What if it's a bridge? A bridge between ancient knowledge and modern healing, between body and spirit, between what we understand and what we've forgotten. Agrimony is not just a plant, it's a legacy. It's a healer disguised in gold. It's the answer lying quietly in our fields, waiting for someone, maybe you, to remember. So next time you walk through a meadow and see a yellow spike peeking through the grass, stop, breathe, and ask yourself, what else have we forgotten? And what might we rediscover? If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Stay happy, healthy, and blessed.